ano, yung 5K kanina ko yun. Guys, baka gusto nyo 150K, 150 na lang. Kayang-kaya ni Jill Rain yun. Daddy Silver. Grabe, no? Alam nyo ba, guys? I prayed to God talaga na, Lord, I hope there's angels today. Then you guys are here. You are my angels. Oh. But Marley wanna love. What? Oo. Kasi isipin mo, di ba, pumasok ka dito sa live ko. Sa panahon na talaga nag-pray ako kay God, na sana may angel. Then you're here! All the way makes me feel the love is real. Thank you guys. Alright, so maybe this time guys, I will sing Filipino song, okay? If you don't understand this song, then just try to listen, okay? There's no exit here. Mabait ako pero the angel. At least dito naging angel ka sa live ko, di ba? Jessie, all good. Thank you, Kai. Should I call you Kai or... Yeah. I give a second chance to get back. Bigo US ang kumuha sa dyan natin. Galing deserve mo lahat. Siyempre, reason yung Bigo US din. That's right. Okay. This is a beautiful song, guys. Alright. Part. May-ari na, isa na pala ako sa may-ari ng Bigo na. Sobrang tagal. Alright, this is an OPM song, Filipino song. I hope you guys like it, okay? Good. Please be my angel today. Di biro ang sumulat ng awiting para sa'yo. Para kung isang sira ulo, hilo at lito. Sa akin pang mina ng piano, teklado'y pilit nilaro. Yes, later. Pagkasakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umusbo. Tungkol saan naman kaya awiting para sa'yo. Di biro ang gawing sukat, ang titik sa tono. Sampu man aking diksyonaryo, kung ang tugma'y di gusto. Basta't isiping di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, napagkapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Yeah. Biruin mo na sabi ko ang nais kong ibati. Dapat mo lamang mapatid laman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin, ating
all. Please keep like, share this video, and subscribe to our
Thank you.
YouTube
Pwede
channel.
mag-request.
And don't forget to follow
What
us on
song?
Facebook. Thank you.
What song? What song? Thank you po. Road to second box. I've been a sea girl. What was I made for? What else? Hindi ko masyadong kinakanta. Once in a lifetime. Who's the singer of that song? Who's the artist? I think I don't know that song. Once in a lifetime. Just my love.
Somebody gonna match my freak. Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my
Pastor, come on in out of the rain.